Hey guys, hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So I'm actually outside today. My son was playing with the pool, but he left. I don't know whether, I think he went upstairs. Anyway, so I'm recording on my phone. I hope I'm looking at the right place. Yeah, so I wanted to do a quick review on this hair. I just installed it 2 days ago. So this is the Bobbi Boss Nu Locs. It was in a 14-inch, and honestly, I didn't like how it looks, so I took a blow dryer, stretched it out, and then cut it. I'm 5'10", and it's hitting me right now after cutting it. So I also got a 1B30, which was this color right here. And overall, so far, it's not bad. It just really is kind of, yeah, there's only one thing that I don't really like about this hair. It's really lightweight. The volume is decent, but I added a few pieces of faux locks that I had. So it's not bad, but I would really recommend that you buy like maybe, I used 4.5 packs, but I would recommend getting like 5 just to be safe, because it looked thin the first time I did it. So I would recommend getting 5 packs if you have a big head like me. So overall, the volume is good. The culture and the texture looks very natural. The only problem that I noticed with this hair is that the loops are really small. So it's right here. It's so tiny, and I had a hard time opening them up. You know, I'm really fast. Usually it takes me 2 hours, but it felt like it was like 30 minutes extra just to open each loop and put it in, or just use your crochet needle and loop them. But usually, typically, it's easy for me to put crochet ins because the loops are so big. The loops on this was so small. I spent about $8 a piece for the hair at the beauty supply store, which was a lot because Amazon has a 6-pack of a similar hair for about $26. So that's the only thing that I didn't like, is that I went to the beauty supply and it was pretty expensive because I wanted to get something for my mom and I ended up buying the hair. Otherwise, just ordered online. I think it would be way cheaper. So yeah, this is it right here. Yeah, so I mixed it with a 1B30 and it looks pretty nice. And yeah, I'm loving it so far. Anyway, so yeah, I just wanted to come here really quickly and show you guys Bobbi Boss Nu Locs. I'm liking it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.